Nesha chenjagala okubuuza Makula. Tuzze tukulaba. I've seen like I don't know how many interviews of you. But chenjagala okubuuza, what were your dreams growing up?
Wow, my dreams.
The young you. What drove you? What motivated you?
Well, the young me. I wanted to be what my father wanted me to be.
Which is anything that would make daddy happy.
Exactly. Anything. Until I don't talk about my dad.
Please do.
But
your dad is your best friend. My father is my best friend as well.
Yes. I don't know if I disappointed him. I'm not the accountant he wanted me to be. Marriage-wise, I think he's not disappointed. I don't know. I don't know how to talk about it.
Are you going to cry?
My dad, Pap. Yeah, there are things I don't want to talk about or think about. I thank God he passed on before he saw the person I was before I became this person. Nti yali tansuubira kubeera nga nsobola osula wabweru. Yali tansuubira kuzaala nga nsoma.
Byandimumenya omutima.
Oh my God. So he passed on nga sinazaala. In fact, when I joining Makerere, nangamba yali mu ddwaliro nga mulwadde. He died of throat cancer. Nangamba ne bwenfa.
Bambi. Omwana nga atuse kasozi.
Eyasookera ddala was Makerere okundaba nga ntuuseeyo. Oba byonna oba osomye ki?
Oba ki kasoba nga you have been admitted to the university.
Then ekyokubiri nga bampadde BCom external nga yagala mbeere that accountant.
Bambi.
Mami wange ye bambi yalaba bulabi nga buli kimu kyonna it's my dad. So nali performinga bulungi mu sciences kubanga when I joining HSC then yali director w'essomero Mr. Dalton Segawa nangamba ninokola sciences nampa PCB math kati nenyomba nabo ne magamba sagala bichi mami nagamba you have to be nga yagala ntambulire mu kiroto kye
ekyobusawo oba somewhere close. Yes.
Kale we bigana nkutwale osome nasi kyonna ekiri awo ne babimpa ne bwe natulanga mu class daddy wange nalowoozangako.
Daddy wants me to be an accountant.
So growing up yalinga daddy wangamba yambala boti tambula boti do this ninokola. So sign and those are a dream. Oba dream yankangambe was my dad.
You were just living in his shadow and you were comfortable with everything that he wanted you to be with.
Nga nkimanyi buli kimu kyayagala nkole ne kyagala kirungi.
Yes.
So yeah, I don't know. I don't think he's disappointed. I want to believe that he's not disappointed.
He's not disappointed.
Yeah.
You're doing well.
I thank God. Yeah.
I think you'd be happy. I think you'd be proud if you were around.
I think.
Yeah.